Hi guys, I'm Dave, co-founder and technical lead here at FLIT. I'm here to show you our new bike, the FLIT M2. A few years ago, when we started work on our first bike, the FLIT 16, we knew that by creating it to be electric from the start, we could create something that's not just lighter, but also better performing than other folding e-bikes out there. Our customers love their FLIT 16s, so when we started work on our new project, we knew we had to take everything we learned from the FLIT 16 and use it to create something even better. Starting with the frame, we've kept the same fast fold and easy rolling of the FLIT 16, but we've doubled down on the details to give a cleaner, more refined design. The cables are now hidden in the frame, and we've switched from painting to anodizing to give a beautiful matte finish that's also super durable. We've upgraded a bunch of components, like the custom lightweight crankset and hydraulic disc brakes for great stopping power. The electrical system is new too. We've got a more responsive torque sensor and a motor that's whisper quiet that, despite its smaller size, gives more torque for better performance up hills. We've got a stylish colour display and a fully integrated front light for safer riding at night. One of the main focuses for this bike was reducing the weight and folded size. We used a combination of analysis and in-house testing to achieve a great balance of strength and weight for each part of the bike, bringing the total down to just 14 kilograms, including the battery. All in all, the M2 is a massive leap in design and engineering, and we can't wait for you to try it. You're going to love it.